Hello, little stars. Welcome to Chimukli Rutu. Clap, jump, shout, yay, ay. Let's giggle, learn, and play.
Welcome to the Letterland. Come and sing along. A-E-I-E-O-U. Vowels sing a song. Evil sing a song. Vowels sing a song. We are vowels, loud and clear. Hear our happy sound. Consonants are joining now, jumping all around. Consonants are joining now, jumping all around. B says ba, C says ga. Listen to the beat. Every letter has a sound. Learning is a treat. Learning is a treat. Vowels help the words to sing. Listen carefully. Consonants build strong words too, just like you and me. Consonants build strong words too, just like you and me. Together we make magic. Words come alive.
Let's read and
Read and sing and dance along. Learning every day. Read and sing and dance along. Learning every day. Learning every day. A-E-I-O-U. Don't forget the sound. A-E-I-O-U. We're learning now. Letters make the world of words. Fun is all around. Fun is all around. Fun is all around.
Yay, you did it, little stars. So much fun today. Like, subscribe to Chimukli Rutu. More magic is coming soon. Bye-bye. See you soon.